Okay, so this is going to be our official clean with me in our new home. This stove is absolutely gross. They did not clean this properly. It is so nasty. So we did not use this at all. Look at that, coming down the front of the stove. In here, I removed these eyes because these will be replaced. These are so gross. Yeah, we're gonna replace those. So we're not gonna even use this stove until this is properly cleaned out. This was smoking when we cut the oven on, so I'm gonna go back in here and clean this out. Look at this. Why is it fur in the stove? It was more than that before I removed this, like some type of dog hair or something. Absolutely disgusting. So it's dirt. You see that? This is disgusting. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do right now, we just came back from Walmart. This is the only thing I found was some Easy Off, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray this and let it sit. And then it does, do I have a self cleaner on here? I have a self cleaner, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray the oven, put the self cleaner on, take my kids swimming, and when I come back we'll finish up with this because we're not ever using this stove. Leave it to me, I would have went and bought a new stove, but we need to we're still waiting on our household goods. So look at this, we still have nothing, no furniture here. So I'm in here, the perfect time to deep clean. But look what our stuff got delivered, our first shipment. This is all my kitchen stuff, and then I have some more in the living room that we're gonna get unpacked as well. So let me spray this off and then I'll come back in a little bit and clean it off when we get back. I'm gonna try not to hit this part because that's where it burns if you let the chemicals hit on there too much. So I'm just trying to go around it. Okay, I'm gonna close it up because it is some fumes. I saw you. What you doing? Putting your hummingbird juice in there? Yeah. Hopefully you'll get a hummingbird. So you just pour it in there?
You gotta take the top off, turn it upside down.
Turn it upside down?
Flip it and take the top off, the bottom piece.
Oh, you already did that. Yeah. So how they gonna eat?
It drains down in here. They put their noses in here.
Oh, you gonna try to catch you one?
Catch me one.
You're just gonna watch it. Okay. We bought that hummingbird stuff from Walmart. Look, we have our first shipment of all of our dishes. So far nothing's broken. Right here, I've been sitting stuff on the counter. Look, I'm so happy I put like our, what's this? Like I put our knives back in the original packaging. I use tape and put this stuff together. I put stuff back in the original packaging. So my life is gonna be easier. Yep, and now we're going through, what's in there? What? What's in there? All of my glass. No, don't open this. Is all my crystal and stuff. So when I find it, I will give it to you. Yep, look, nothing seems to be.
Yeah, make a cup.
Woohoo! We getting
broken.
back to normal. Whatever that's supposed to mean, but. Okay, this is what I'm currently doing. Darnell suggested to get bumpers for the door because they slam. So, just putting these clear little bumpers here. And eventually I'm going to get all of the cabinets. Look, you see how loud that is? So, putting those little clear things You just peel it off like this. It's really easy. And just stick it.
Stick it, baby, stick it. Stick
Yeah. Yup. And then we're gonna get I don't know if I'm gonna do peel and stick lining or the ones I always do where you cut to fit.
Don't they got like the clear joint, the clear plastic stuff you can cut out?
I don't know, but I usually get the one that looks like the thing.
Stuff?
Yeah, I like that one better. I probably just stick with that. But I know they got some fan. I maybe do the peel and stick from under the sink here, since it's really damaged under there.
Oh, they gonna come fix it. Don't worry about that. They gonna
Right
come
there.
fix that. Easy.
They're not gonna fix that. You think so? Well, until then, I'm gonna put whatever down. I guess if they're gonna fix it, then I won't put the pillow stick. Anyways, I am here just putting the bumpers on, and that's gonna be. So, look at the difference. So it's not as loud. It's still pretty loud, but it's not as bad as it was. Okay, look at this. I started wiping. Look at this towel. This is just for me wiping this glass down from right here. Look at that. This is all from us moving in here, never using this stove, and they said that this is clean. This is terrible. Look at that. Look at all of that. That's gross. No way, no way. So I'm going through here, wiping down the stove. It's crazy. It's insane. No. This is why you can't trust people to clean your stuff. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use this because like over here on this edge, just to take it off. And I wish I knew how to clean and take that part off. Just wiping. Now my towel's so stained. Okay, let's wipe. So I'm gonna have to put this camera down so I can get in here and scrub this stuff off. But this is how it looked with the self cleaner and the oven. But you can already see, look at that towel, how dirty this stove was. And now I'm gonna have to figure out how to take these screws off because I have to clean. Let me show you. You see that? I cannot live with that down there. That's so nasty. And look at in here. Look at that. Absolutely gross. So I have this that I brought, this little kit. I got this in Germany. So I'm gonna try to use it and get these bolts off. These are star, and then I have these. So I think this will work. Okay, are you guys ready to see this unbelievable, disgusting stuff? Let me show you. Look at this. Look at this. This is from me. This is right here. I opened up the glass. Look at here. Look at how gross this is. Now, of course, your food or whatever, it doesn't touch this because, you know, this is in between the door and the glass. But I cannot. This is why, oh my gosh. I could not eat in something like this. This is why we haven't used this stove at all. This thing has never ever been clean. We already requested to get a new stove, and I'm even looking into just probably putting our own in here. But for now, we're gonna probably still have to use something until we can figure out what we're gonna do. So I am about to scrub this, put so much bleach out here. not inside the oven per se. I may still put some in there, I don't know, but I definitely gonna bleach all of this down, open up what I can, and get everything scrubbed. Yeah, so that is my next mission. I cannot believe this. Look at this. Absolutely disgusted. The very first thing I'm going to do is take a Lysol wipe just to remove as much loose debris and dirt. So I'm just going to take the wipe. Look at that. Look at that, just wiping it. This is unbelievable. That is just from me wiping it with the wipe. I do not have any gloves in this house, and I don't have time or energy trying to figure out how to get some, so I'm just gonna have to do what I have to do and wipe as much as I can. But as you see, it's just old dried up dirt and food and debris. So soap and water will definitely clean it out, but it's just the idea is so disgusting. First time opening up a stove. Here they come.
That's fiberglass. You bring the gloves down.
Nope. You cannot get in there to clean the inside of that. That's why I've been trying to figure out how to take it off. Look at this. You see it? A sponge.
These 4 screws, these 3 screws, it's gonna take this off. Is that okay?
I don't want to do that though.
Okay, so that's the only way that you can get it.
Because we don't know what's going to happen. That's so gross. But it's not touching of this. It's inside the glass. Okay. I'm finished. You see the difference? This is what it looks like in the inside. This is the outside. Oh, maybe you can't see it. Okay, maybe that way. Oh, let me get the... You can see the drip mark is now gone. I attempted to take this off. Donnell even went in the inside, took the bolts off. We cannot get into there because then we'll have to take this stuff off, and I don't want to risk damaging this anymore. But it's clean, disinfected, as clean as it's going to be. Now you have to get new eyes. Hello.
What's up, y'all? Time for bed.
So why you going in the pantry?
Because there's some things in here that I need to check on.
They're not. Terrible. So yeah, I'm gonna go on Amazon and try to order some because Lowe's did not have it. Okay, so these are going to be put up, and when we move out I will put this back into their stove here. I'm not going to use any of their items, so I'm going to actually try to overnight some of these from Amazon so we can start using the stove. Because I refuse, look at this, No, not doing it. Not. This is how the top looks, but I'm not using it. It has a weird smell when you turn it on anyways. So they will be sitting in here. I'm gonna bag them all up and place them somewhere safe until we move out. But anyways, this is our stove. It was still dirt around here. Like, I guess they didn't actually look. This is a scuff mark. That's not dirt. That's like chip painted. But yeah, like all these eyes, I guess they didn't look to the back like that. So it was dirt. So I went back in, lifted the range, and let me wipe it out again. Yeah, so I am done with the stove. I'm not sure what pans I want to put here. Maybe silver. I thought the black will look nice as well, so I may do that. This is clean. I even went under the range here. I scrubbed that as best I can. That stuff is not coming off, but this is how it looks under here. Yeah. So I even cleaned this little spout thing at the bottom. It was dirt under there. It was dirt like here, like they didn't look to clean back here. So anyways, this is done. I'm done. I got the bottom drawer here. I'm gonna rinse this out, wash it, disinfect it again, and then I'm gonna add it back in. Look at all that's my little stuff I've been wiping down. I pulled out every cleaning supplies that I have in this house. I have bleach up there on the counter. So yeah, I've been cleaning with everything I could possibly think of to make sure this stove is clean and disinfected. Anyways, moving on. Again, Amazon, I'm gonna order some. I think that's it for this kitchen. I'm tired. I'm gonna move on and start organizing my cabinets after I get everything pulled out the boxes. Stay tuned.